Hello friends, good morning. In previous lecture, we solved up to question number 13 of exercise 1.7. पिछले लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने एक्सरसाइज 1.7 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 सॉल्व किया था. Today we will solve the next questions of this exercise. Okay? Now, we see that the question number 14 is the product of two fractions is 9 whole 3 upon 5. If one of the fractions is 9 whole 3 upon 7, find the other. Okay? Here two fractions. The product of these two fractions is 9 whole 3 upon 5, and one of them is 9 whole 3 upon 7. We have to find the other numbers. Let number 14. Let the second number is x. Okay? First number is given that 9 whole 3 upon, the first number is 9 whole 3 upon 7. 9 whole 3 upon 7. Product of number is 9 whole 3 upon 5. 9 whole 3 upon 5. Okay? According to question, question 9 whole 3 upon 7 into x equal to 9 whole 3 upon 5. Okay? Now 9 7 9 is 63 plus 3 66. 66 upon 7 into x equal to 5 9 is 45 plus 3 48 upon 5. Okay? Now we have to find x equal to 48 upon 5 divided by 66 upon 7. Okay? Now x equal to 48 upon 5 into 7 upon 66. 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 is 48. X equal to 8 into 7 upon 11 5 is 50, 5 into 11. X equal to 56 upon 55. 55 is 55, one remainder. X equal to 1 whole 1 upon 55. This is the second fraction. Okay? Our answer will be the second fraction is 1 whole 1 upon 55. Okay. Now with the next question. Question number 15. The question number 15 is that in a school 5 upon 8 of the students are boys. If there are 240 girls, find number of boys in the school. First of all, we let the total number of students. Question 15. Total number of students equal to x. Okay? Now question says that if 5 upon 8 all the students are boys. Number of boys, number of boys. 5 upon 8 of total students means 5 upon 8 x. Now number of girls will be equal to the total students minus number of boys. So x minus 5 upon 8x. Okay. 8 1 8 minus 5. 6 upon 8. This is number of girls. Number of girls. Okay. Now, according to question, the number of girls given that is 240. Okay. So 3x upon 8 equal to 240 r. Here we see that 3x equal to 240 into 8. R x equal to 240 into 8 upon 3. 3 is 24. 3 zeros 0. X equal to 80 into 8. X equal to 80 into 8. X equal to 640. Okay. This is the total number of students. And number of girls is 240. Number of boys equal to number of boys equal to 5.8 of total number of students. 5.8 into 240. 8 is the 640. 8 is the 64. 80. 85 is the 400. The number of boys equal to 400. Okay. Once again we see that our question is that the number of boys is 5.8 of the total number of students and number of girls 240. So we have to find the number of boys. First of all, we get the number of students here. The 5.8 of the total number of students is boys. Hence 5.8x. Now, number of girls will be total number of students minus number of boys. X is 5.8x equal to 6 and the number of girls is given that 240. Hence we compare 3x upon 8 equal to 240. Now, we find the total number of students. As we know that if we subtract the number of girls to the number of total students, then we get the number of boys is 640 minus 240 equal to 400 r. We take the 5.8 of total students as we done here. 5.8 into 740. 8 is 64, 80. 85 is 400. Means total number of students is 400. Okay. Now, we have the next question. Okay. The next question number 16. After reading 7/9 of a book, 40 pages are left. How many pages are in the book? Left. Number 16. Let the total number of pages in the book is yes. Okay. 7/9 of a book is read. The number of pages. The number of pages to be read equal to x minus द नंबर ऑफ पेजेस, राइट, क्या करना मतलब कि यहाँ टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेज क्या है, x है, और इसमें क्या कर 7/9 पार्ट क्या हुआ है, पढ़ लिया गया, रीड कर लिया गया है, तो रिमेन क्या होगा, x माइनस 7/9x, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेज x, number of page which has been read, that is 7/9x. The number of page which is to be read means left, x minus 7/9x means 9 1 9x minus 7/9 means 2x/9. Okay, and that is given. The number of page to be read is 14. According to question, according to question, 2x/9 means the number of page to be read is 14. So 2x equal to 14 to 9. So 2x equal to 360. X equal to 360/2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 8 जा 60. ओके, तो x इक्वल टू 180. x इक्वल टू 180 means the total number of pages to be read, sorry, the total number of pages in the book is 180. Okay, you can verify your answers if you want to. When we take 7/9 of this, 7/9 into 180, 9 to the 18, 27 to 140, and if you subtract 140 from this, then you will get 40, which is given in our question. Okay. Hence, we find the total number of pages in the book. The other questions we will discuss in next video. Thank you.